Yun yung ano,
Ano ba?
bagong coach ng The Boys Kids.
Feeling ko magiging close kayo.
Feeling ko mas magiging close kami kaysa close tayo eh.
Ah, hindi kayo sure.
Wala ka naman.
Sige.
Ito yung pinakahihintay nyo. At
Dito mo pa pinalita, Julia.
yes, of course. We are proud to officially introduce the newest coach of The Boys Kids.